Saving with Shay. I'm here for my Walmart weekend haul for you. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face, let me take a second and subscribe. I am Shay. Hello, Shay with the pow pow. Did we take a second and sorry, I already said that. Also make sure to hype your girl up as well. And so I need 15 offers for $5. And then for my larger bonus, I need 30 for $7. So I'm hoping between my weekend and weekday, we can pull it off. I'm hoping so, right? If not, then guess what? It just wasn't on my bingo card this week. It just wasn't. But we're going to see what we can do. Now, I do have some new offers. You know how it be sometimes. I feel like it was a little bit of a struggle. This haul was a bit of a struggle. Yeah, I don't know. Have y'all noticed that with the sister apps to cash out the verification code they send you now, it went from 4 digits to 5. I don't know if it's just my 40, almost 50-year-old brain I just be like 5. I'd be having the hardest time remembering these 5 digits. Like when it was 4, I could be like boom, 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 bang. I got it. But when this just adding the extra digit is really be messing with my head. And I'm just like, why? Why did we go from 4 to 5? I liked 4 digits. I mean, 4 really, really worked for me. The other thing I wanted to mention is aisle. I know. I've been seeing y'all posting. Look, I'm waiting just like you waiting. Like we all waiting. We all sitting there waiting to get paid. We like waiting. We like this. Waiting to get paid. Like I feel like that's how I am. But low-key, I think I'm waiting for like $40-something. And I'm not even gonna front y'all. Me waiting is deterring me from doing more aisle offers. Like seriously. And I'm hoping something big don't pop off. Because I might have to sit there and wait it out until they pay me. Because I'm like, dude, it's been taking a while. I think the last time it took a minute too. This time, everything I have right now is since the 1st. So hopefully they will pay out soon because ain't nothing like waiting for your money, you know? I'm telling y'all, and my cash out game is on point. Like, I be doing my deals on various apps just so I could cash out. Like, my coupon budget right now, I'm loving it right now. My PayPal is looking sweet. Because for a while there, your girl was a little broke. But yeah, keep your cash out game on point. These companies don't owe you nothing, all right? They don't owe you nothing. Like, they can shut you down. You violated some terms of service, whatever. Don't have to tell you what it was. And it's all theirs. And it ain't yours. It ain't yours until you cash it out. So I'm telling y'all, from Shay to you, from a one saver to another, cash out. And so that being said, we're going to head to Walmart. We're going to see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got going to do, hit the like button and keep on watching. So next up is the Ortega. It's on the fire roasted chilies. They don't have any. They're completely out. See? No see? No habla? No. It's like this one right here. But instead of jalapenos, it's fire roasted chilies. Diced chilies. All right, they're priced at $167, getting back $4.67 from Field Agent, making this a $3 moneymaker. All right, next up is the Ocean Spray Zero Sugar. Like, I need this, like I need another hole in my head. But I'm me, and I'm going to do it again. So we're going to grab 2 of these Ocean Spray priced at $3.67. That total's going to come to $7.34. We'll get back $4.50 on Swagbucks for buying 2. There's also $1 for each on checkout 51, bringing them down to only 42 cents each. And of course, because I need them in my life, I'm going to max it out and grab 4. This is the only store that carries the Gatorade lower sugar. And they're not in the front where they were last time I was here. They're priced at $5.24, getting back $2.50 on Ibotta. I don't have the offer on Fetch Reward anymore, but I do have the dollar on inbox dollars, making it $1.74 for a 6-pack. There's also an offer for the singles as well, which looks like they're priced at $1.78, getting back 89 cents on Ibotta. Brings those down to 89 cents. So I'm going to do some searching to see if I can find them. While I'm over here and I see the Oreo stuff of legends, I actually got this deal from Target. And they're actually not bad. I had like 3 yesterday. And so they're priced at $4.97. And for this, well, I did it at Target, so I think it makes them a dollar something, dollar and a quarter here. I'll have a breakdown in the Google Doc. But the deal I did at Target, I grabbed 3 of them. They're 2 for $9 and 1 for $5.39. So the total is $14.39 there. There was a dollar digital. I paid $13.39, got back $125 times 3 on Ibotta and $2.50 times 3 on Fetch. So it made them 71 cents per pack. And so, yeah. All right. So I had this offer on the Sunny D pop-up. For this one, I had to get fruit punch. They're priced at $3.78. And for this, you're getting back $6.68 from Field Agent, making this a $3 moneymaker. Look who gets to get the white machine, as if I'm going to use it. It's priced at $7.48. For this, I'm going to be using this $5 printable right here. Bring the total down to $2.48. Getting back $1.75 on Ibotta will make it like 77 cents. So the offer for the sister apps is like, yeah. It's like 10 cents. It just might as well just be gone. Like, why are they even having it on there? Like, who wants 10 cents? Nobody. So for this, we're gonna grab the Arm & Hammer Deep Clean, priced at $8.98. I'm gonna use one of these solar peelies that I peeled off one of the many times I was here. It'll bring the total down to $6.98, getting back $4 on Ibotta, making that only $2.98. Okay. See how the universe just be doing it sometimes? So this deal here is on the Coppertone. Now, it's on clearance for $3.50. I've already did my offers for the sister apps and Checkout 51. So all I have is Ibotta and Walmart rewards. So grabbing one at $3.50, getting back 4 on Ibotta. Our Walmart reward makes it a 50-cent moneymaker. Now I'm gonna try using the printable nail. All right. Hopefully I'll pay nothing and get back 4 on Ibotta, making this a $4 moneymaker. So I will let you guys know how it works out. Just a reminder, the CeraVe, the cleansing bar, is priced at $5.88. It is working for the $3 skincare offer on both Checkout 51 and the sister apps. So it would make it a small money maker. Now the other option would be to grab the patches if you can find them on clearance. They're priced at $6.97. It would make that 97 cents. Next up is the Almay. Now for this, I did my offers on Checkout 51. So all I have is Ibotta and I think 1 or 2 of the sister apps. And so for this, you're grabbing one at $5.62. You can either use the $3 printable on coupons.com. That brings your total down to $2.62, and then you get back $1 on Ibotta, making that $1.62. Or you can choose to use the sister app, which would make it the same price if you still have Checkout 51. Even bigger money maker. And so, so this next deal here is on the Dove Serum body wash. Now I saw Miss Eunice post this deal. I think she did a short or a community post, and I couldn't have checked my fetch so fast. But yeah, I wasn't lucky enough to get both offers. There's a 5,000 point offer. There's also an 8,000 point offer. I only have the 5,000. So for this, you're grabbing one at $12.97. I'm getting back 3 on Ibotta, 5 on Fetch would make it $4.97. And then if you have the 8,000 offer as well, it would make it a $3.03 moneymaker. So if you have both offers, you lucky son of a gun. It's still here. So I did it again. All right. I did it again. Last time I did this deal, I was able to use my text now number. So I went ahead and did it again. Now for this, I did not get the text until the next day. They do send you a verification email of sorts you have to click. And so you're going to grab one at $9.97. You're going to get that back. It's a V-Tax offer, making this absolutely free. So we got the Axe. I was looking for the one we got last time. That was the one that was right here. I believe it's the one that's right here. I have to pop up a picture of it. That is the only spray And that's priced at $4.98. But since they don't have that one, I guess you'd have to grab one of the sticks down here, priced at $4.97. So we're gonna grab 2 of them. You'll pay $9.96. Getting back 7 on Ibotta makes them $148 each. And that is also available for Walmart Rewards Centrum. It's priced at $8.12. Getting back 3 on Ibotta, 3 on Checkout 51, and 3 on Swagbucks makes an 88-cent moneymaker. Now, in my last video, I did the Helium Huddle offer with the Centrum, the Preparation H, and the Advil. And I got that rebate back in like 2 days, and I already used it. So that's definitely a good option. I'll pop it in the Google Doc if you didn't watch my last video. Next up is the Preparation H. It's priced at $5.12 for this. You're grabbing 2 of them. You're going to pay $10.24, getting back $1 for each on Ibotta. There's also a 50-cent bonus as well. And then we'll get back $4 on Checkout 51 for buying 2, $4 on Swagbucks for buying 2, making them both a 26-cent moneymaker. All right, so here we have the Advil. It's priced at $4.28. Getting back 2 on Checkout 51 and 2 on Swagbucks makes this only 28 cents. All right, we're also going to be grabbing the Aleve. The 24 count is priced at $5.47. Getting back $1.50 on Checkout 51. On Ibotta and Swagbucks brings that down to 97 cents. We're grabbing the Arm & Hammer again. It's priced at $3.98. Now, I don't have this offer on Checkout 51, so I'm going to use the coupon. All right, so we're going to use this $1.50 coupon. We'll pay $2.98. Get submit on Ibotta for $1.50, making this only 98 cents. All right, guys, so here is my complete haul. No, we still don't have floors, but they are in negotiations between, you know, the people that's doing the work and AAA. So hopefully it won't be much longer, you guys, because I've been going to the laundromat. Like, I hadn't been to the laundromat in I don't know how long, since I moved up here. What, 12, 13, 14, 15 years ago? But I've been like 4 times already. So now I feel like I'm a little pro. And so, yeah, but it sucks, you know, having to take everything somewhere else and then bring it all. Yeah, a whole situation. And so, and I just bought a hot plate. Yeah, a hot plate. I had a toaster oven that I had in the garage forever that I got on clearance for like 30 bucks. Yeah, and I'm about to open up one of my Curates I got out there too, since mine is in a box in a container and I'm not trying to dig for it. So I guess it is good that I have some stuff. There's a crock pot out there too in a box, a Pioneer Woman one. So I have stuff I can get too. You know what I mean? And so, with that being said, everything here worked out good. Only coupon that didn't scan was the Coppertone, but I went ahead and grabbed it anyways because I figured it was still going to be a 50-cent moneymaker. I would have loved for it to be a $4 moneymaker, and I didn't have the offer on any other app. I mean, I do have it on Be Frugal, but I just can't. I can't be over there with the Be Frugal people. Not right now. And so, yeah. But that's the only coupon that didn't scan. The Airwick scanned and self-checkout. Arm & Hammer for 2 of those. The other one, I did still have an offer for Checkout 51. And I think I did inbox dollars, perhaps. So that was cool. The Centrum, I had the offer clipped on Walmart Rewards, and I forgot. So I got the offer there instead of Ibotta, so I was short one. So I just redeemed a gift card, which is cool because I had to get some stuff for Josiah anyway. So it worked out. Other than that, yeah, I'm still waiting for the Goodwipes. My first one that I got, that one cleared in like an hour. I was paid. That one, I did that yesterday and I still haven't got paid yet. So I'm still waiting on that one. Other than that, that's basically it. I'm gonna try to run through this real fast, y'all. Everything you see here retails $115.61. I did have $20 in coupons again. They all scanned except that Coppertone. It brought my out-of-pocket down. Please excuse my human. Yeah, that. $95.61 out of pocket. Getting back $30.75 from Ibotta. Inbox dollars was $15.50. Field agent was $14.35. Checkout 51 was $12. PayPal, we cashed out $10.93. V-Tags for the wipes is $9.97. Fetch Reward $7.55. Aisle $6.29. And we are still waiting Walmart rewards was $3, and last but not least, my points was $1.50. We walk away with a total of $111.84 back. It's gonna make everything you see here free plus a $16.23 moneymaker. Really quick, I didn't mention the Arm & Hammers back there. Look, I used a Knox coupon, $2 coupon on the Arm & Hammer. I did that the morning that they changed it, and I didn't realize it because it still had a picture of that one. So I didn't get credit on my points, but I did get back the $2 on Ibotta. So it did make those like a 15-20 cent moneymaker for each one. I just wanted to mention that. And so with that being said, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. I want to see a chili pepper or a jalapeno in the comments. If you made it to the end, I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.